China's economy started the year of 2023 with a bang. Bustling streets and humming factories all have signaled the world's second-largest economy is set to see a faster-than-expected recovery this year. Observers have said being optimistic about the opportunities brought by China's strong revival and believing the country will continue to power global economic growth. Global investors have shown their confidence in China's economic prospects.
My personal opinion is very positive. This means that according to the forecast, the growth of Chinese GDP can reach in this year 4 or 5%, which is very important not only for the Chinese economy but for the world economy.
The prospect for the world economy is looking better than last year. Of course, the Chinese economy will help a lot because the Chinese economy, particularly, has been evolving in the global supply chain.
Foreign investors have been eager to seize the opportunities of China's economic recovery. According to the Ministry of Commerce, the foreign direct investment into the Chinese mainland in actual use expanded 14.5% year-on-year to 127.69 billion yuan in January. In US dollar terms, the FDI inflow went up 10% year-on-year to $19.02 billion.
我们对中国经济的环境以及营商环境抱有极大的信心。那么雀巢在中国运营了已经35年，那么35年来，我们在中国做了大量的投资。我们希望经过疫情的这几年的这个艰难的情况下，那么中国经济一定会强力反弹。